Hey everybody, what's up? Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoor, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Light LX 1805 RB. This is a fantastic entry-level couples camper for the couple that's looking for a little bit of space and some of the amenities of home with nice features. Let's start right over here in the master bedroom. Now, I say couples camper because you can bring somebody else along with you because the sofa does provide another sleeping spot. There's no privacy door, curtain, anything here, which is why I say this makes a great couples camper. Got the bed here with the nightstands on both sides, dual USB charging ports as well. Plus you have the drawers and the extensions coming out, giving you plenty of room if you had a nightlight or CPAP machine that you wanted to put in there. You got the mirrored wards on both sides. And yes, you do have power ports. It's just the USB ports are close to the nightstands. The power ports are here near the bottom of the nightstands. So there should be one right there and one on the other side as well. You got the frosted glass inlays on these wood shaker style cabinets, giving you better than just the shelf storage up here. You actually have enclosed storage. Very nice feature. 82-inch high ceilings. You got a 13,500 BTU AC. We move over to the living area. You get more room because the living room does have a slide in it with your jackknife sofa, that microfiber couch, really giving you some comfort and style. And you have some storage underneath there as well. That's also your table. If you're wondering, well, where's the table? It's right there underneath the jackknife sofa. You even have some really cool wood corner hutches inside the slide. I thought that was a nice touch, just giving you a little extra space to put some stuff while you're out and about camping. You got the lakeside interior with the wood balances and the large bay window. Entertainment center right here with another frosted glass shaker style cabinet. That's a good place for your components. If you want to plug into the satellite, the cable box. Got your TV right here, shelf, Furion, command center. Got the power switch for the fireplace and the AC right here. And this LED backlit fireplace with the blower gives you great heat. So you don't even really need to run the furnace. This would warm this room at night. Got your LP and O2 detector right next to your circuit breaker. Residential style slip resistant flooring, giving it a beautiful residential feel. 6 cubic foot fridge and freezer combo over here. This does run on both gas and electric, and it has the automatic switch in it as well. Good little spot right there for all those essentials when traveling. This is a nice little storage area for the backpacks, or at least I think so. If you're going to go on the hikes or you're just going to go check out the terrain, this is a good spot where if you got the water packs, the backpacks, the Cavus, just grab them and go. Got the black on black fixtures here. I'm a fan of these all matching. Sometimes you see like the silver range top or the silver microwave. Having these match is a really nice feature. And this is a panel, not just an adhesive strip that they put up here. That's a really nice addition, making it a residential feel. LED backlight on the controls here for the Greystone stovetop and oven. And if you notice, speaking of Greystone, you got the true grill top cover here for the 3-burner stove. Fantastic addition. Deep well farmhouse stainless steel sink with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet and a great feature, the sprayer handle. A lot of times in the Colemans you do not see the sprayer handle, but this Light LX, they have those in there, and more storage up above right there. So great little couples camper if you want to get out and about and do the hiking, do the biking, all that good stuff. Got your command center right here as you walk in. Just letting you know how the gray tanks are looking, the black tanks are looking, how we're doing with fresh water. This does have a 60-gallon freshwater tank on it, one of the largest in class you're going to find on a travel trailer. Even has a 6-gallon water heater. So we come into the bathroom, and the first thing I noticed was, for this being a rear bath travel trailer, you do have some really good space. You have a mirrored wardrobe right here. Great for that couple that's going to accidentally overpack, because you can't do that when you're camping. Mirrored vanity with the raised lips. And once again, Coleman did a good job with these solid shaker style cabinets. Countertop space here. Good spots for toothbrushes, hairbrushes. You even got a power port here, so if you need to plug in a hair dryer, you could. Single basin deep well sink and deep well shelves inside the bathroom as well. Great spot for additional clothes, towels. Got the foot flush on the toilet. Single surround tub with the skylight right here. And if you notice, Bob, see if you can get that, how big that skylight is. This thing is way bigger than most. Now, the ceiling fan and everything is right here in the middle. This skylight is purely for additional light and headroom, so you're not going to be cramped. Beautiful single surround inside the shower with the nozzle and the hose, and everything kind of moves around. So even have enough space in there if you want to take a bath, you could. All in all, I'm really impressed by this camper because of the space, the style, and the comfort that they put into this 1805 RV. Not a large camper, but a lot of space and a lot of value, bang for your buck on this one. So when you're ready to upgrade that camping experience and you're that couple looking to do that, this is a great one to do it in. We've seen the inside. Now let's go check the outside of this laminate travel trailer and see what we got. All right, guys, here we are on the outside of the 2020 Coleman Light LX 1805 RB. This rear bath travel trailer, fantastic entry-level camper for those couples looking to just get out and go. Got the fiberglass exterior all the way through. Got R7 foam core insulation inside this camper as well. Got the mini diamond-plated rock guard here, 220-pound LP tanks up front, including a power tongue jack with LED light, making life a whole lot easier when you're trying to set up. Come around to the campsite. If you do have solar panels, there's your quick connect right there. Got the pass-through storage right here, which is finished off and lit, which is a great feature to have. That's fantastic space right there. I'm always talking about where can you put the fishing rods, the hunting gear. That's a great spot for it right there. Or beach towels, all that good stuff. Enclosed underbelly on this camper too, and fantastic addition, power leveling jacks in the front and the rear. We got ourselves a 14-foot awning with the LED light strip going all the way underneath. Sealed safety glass all the way around this camper too. Solid steps and extra large grab handle that is adjustable. You got a 28-inch opening on these campers too. That's a little bit bigger than last year's model. Got the power ports right here. If you wanted to plug in TV or boom box, you could set this up for external entertainment, which is a really nice addition. Freshwater connection, double axle. You got the Dexter Easy Lube axles on this camper. Plus, you notice the extra wide berth under there, just giving you some of that additional suspension and handling, making the ride a whole lot easier. Back of the furnace, back of the fridge, external shower with hot and cold. This is your black tank flush right there. So when you're ready to flush out the black tank, you definitely want to flush that out. 4x4 sewer hose storage here. Full-size spare tire. These are set up for backup camera as well. And if you notice, those arch ceilings really do a good job of help keeping the elements off of this camper. And those 3-inch nozzles make sure that when those elements come off, they're not coming on you or anything else, including the slide. Come around to the off-camp side, and here's our dump station. You got your gray tank and your black tank. The handles are also color-coded as well. Got your 30-amp plug right here. Got another cable jack. Freshwater connection right there. This is the slide that houses the little jackknife sofa. And we come around to the other side of the pass-through storage, but as always, the most important part of any camper, you want to look at the info plate, because this is where you're going to find out what can your vehicle tow. For example, the unloaded weight for this one, 4,500 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 7,600 pounds. Talk to your RV specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors and ask them, what does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. How does this weigh in, literally? But fantastic value, fantastic features on the inside. And if you're that couple that's looking to get out and about, upgrade the camping experience, you're done with the tents, this 2020 Coleman Light LX 1805 RB is a great option for you to check out. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. What do you think of the size? What do you think of the color scheme layout? Did you like it? Where would you take it? I love hearing from you. And please, like and subscribe so we can keep you up to date as to what's coming out. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to talking to you again soon. And as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you.